I'm happy, oh so happy, I just want to tell the world. I'm telling the birds, telling the bees, telling the flowers, telling the trees, how I love you, how I love you. Telling the moon, telling the sun, telling the stars, telling each one, how I love you. I feel so happy, and I show it. I want the whole wide world to know it. A shady old nook, shadows that fall, little old brook, I'm telling them all how I love you. You, through fields of golden flowers, where we spent sunny hours, I'm strolling along, thinking of you. I told a four-leaf clover, my lonesome days are over. I talk about you all the day too. Your mother and dad, even old Joe, Julie's old man, all of them know how I love you. How I love you. Bought a new hat, a little white tie, a cutaway coat. I'm happy, oh my, how I love you. The village band's rehearsing something. When they do that, it means just one thing. That lone green tune, soon they will play. Tall Blossom Brown told him today how I love you. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Telling all the little birds, telling the bees, telling all the pretty flowers, telling the trees how I love you. Tell it to the silvery moon, telling the sun, telling all the pretty stars, telling each one how I love you. I feel so happy and I show it, show it. I want the whole wide world to know it, know it. Tell it to the shady nook, shadows that fall, tell it to the babbling brook, fishes and all.